Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a really special day because I'm going to start up the car and take it for the first spin. I hope everything goes smooth. I already replaced the wires on the spark plugs to put it in the right way. Yeah, I was so stupid. I put the wires so it's gonna be connected with the cylinder number 1 with number 2 and number 3 with number 4, and the right way for the Evo is to connect the cylinder number 1 wire with the cylinder 4 and the second one with the number 3. But you'll live and learn, right? Okay, so the next thing is I'm going to fire up the car and I'm gonna take it for a spin. Okay guys, the moment of truth. Let's see if it's gonna start up, because the battery was just 50%. Oh my god, I'm so happy that finally it's working. Whew. I'm sorry guys that I don't have any footage of the driving. It sounds pretty good. It's still rattling, especially the front left side, so the driver's side. Other than that, it's driving pretty good. I still have to go to the shop, install the bigger injectors and get it tuned for 91 and E85. Other than that, it's working. I didn't got any check engine lights. I managed to stall it one time when I was turning around. Other than that, looks good, sounds good, drives okay. But at the end, I'm happy. I'm really glad that the car is working. And I don't have to go under the car every single weekend from now on. Last night I just replaced the, the rear differential, the fluid. I tried to install the front motor mount from Torque Solution. That didn't go well because I managed to over tighten it. So I pretty much fucked up one of the threads on the lower brace. Yeah, basically this is it. So now that it's driving, I think I'm going to drive it to the shop in the next week, so they can check it out if everything is in place, everything is perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I'm really happy finally that it's working. I hope you guys are happy for me as well. And it was a long 1 year. It's still not done. I still have to paint the car if everything turns out it's good. And I'm still gonna make a lot of videos, guys, don't worry about it. Right now I have to start editing the other videos and edit this one as well. Check out my other page on Instagram, called Speed Profits, of course. See you guys in the next video.